With today's strategy, you can make unlimited AI cat story video with single AI. Every story will need 60 seconds to generate. You can start free. Best part is that you don't need any technical knowledge of video editing or even need any skills. You don't need to think any story concept, you don't need to write any story scripts, you don't need to add voiceover or add music background. You don't need to add subtitles, and you don't need to edit any videos. Everything will be automated within this single AI. Here you are watching an example of AI cat stories video timeline. I will show you more, in details, step by step. Just watch till the end. You will find the necessary links in description. Click on the link and visit straightly to this AI. When you will sign up with my link, you will get 150 credits for generating free stories. For easy sign up, click on Sign In with Google button will take you to dashboard. You will find this homepage have huge collection of images. You can make your own AI characters with this AI. And will able to generate same style images with your own characters from this pre-built images. Click on Story Studio from left menu to make your first story. Before making our cat story video, I want to show you some example stories that I have generated earlier to show you. These are some examples, believe me, you will able to make better than me, if you try. I recommend you to use this AI at least once in your life. This is my personal favorite AI. That's why you will find more dedicated videos in my channel. Not only cat story videos, you can make any kind of story videos with this AI. You will able to make bedtime stories, children's stories, kids stories, horror story or scary stories, action-based stories, history-based stories, real-life-based stories, romance-based stories or love stories, science fiction-based stories, anime stories, superhero-based stories and whatever you want. Not only regular YouTube video format, you can also make shorts or real story video as you are watching in the screen. Every time this AI generate different stories as well as story images. To learn everything step by step you need to watch this video till the end, and I promise you will not disappointed. Stories you are watching on the screen was generated with this single AI tool. In this video, I will show you by making 2 stories by using only few words. Then I will show how to export those stories into AI videos. Everything will automated and we will not need any other tool without this one. But make sure you stay connected till the end and watch full video. I will put the link in description. Click on that link to start your own cat stories. Now let's start. You have to go to Story Studio and then click on New Story button on top right side. AI will ask, what story are we creating today? I am selecting Help Me Get a Story. Now AI will ask, who is your story for? I am writing any. Then AI will ask, what's your goal by creating this story? I am writing any. Then AI will ask what genre the story should be. This is important part. To make different type stories, you can select different genre, and your story pattern will be different. I recommend you to try different genres for different net stories every time. On next box input your story idea. You can input anything you want, even only a word. The better input you will provide, the better story you will get. After inputting your idea, click on Generate Story Outline button. AI will immediately generate a story according to your input, as well as story characters. Review story character and story outline carefully. Your story video will depend on this stage. Now select story format. Vertical is suitable for TikTok, Reels or Shorts, and horizontal is for standard video format, good for YouTube. I have selected horizontal. Now select visual style of your story. You can select any style you want for your story from this 12 style. Every style will make different style for your video images. I am selecting neon punk. I recommend you to try every style one by one to understand the capacity of this AI. AI will start generating our story characters. It may take 5 to 7 minutes for free version. I am a paid member, it took 1 minute in my case. Check the characters. I am satisfied with my character, so clicked on Continue to Storyboard button. This will start generating images according to our story. In free version, it may take 5 to 10 minutes. I am a paid member. It took 2 minutes in my case. Our cat story is ready. Let's review the generated images accordingly. This is our video timeline. Our story video will play in this timeline. Now tell me in comment section how wonderful these images are without any effort. Until now, if you found our video helpful, please like and comment below. I recommend you to use this AI at least one time. If you use, I believe you will be delighted. Remember, you can change or even regenerate any scene if you want. Finally, click on Export button. This will take 7 to 10 minutes for rendering full video. It took less than 3 minutes in my case as I am a paid member. I highly encourage you to upgrade to Pro Annual Plan if you satisfy after using this AI. After rendering complete, you can able to download the video with or without subtitle. Let's see the video.
The city throbbed with life. Whiskers peered from a shadow, eyes narrowed. A sudden, frantic bark cut through the chatter. Panic danced in Bella's gaze. "My fish! It's gone!" She trembled, every paw twitching with urgency. The feline detective pondered. Clues twirled like leaves in a gust. Who would dare? A chorus of chirps filled the air. Whiskers approached, probing questions gently unfurling like a secret. In the gloom, danger watched. Milo's traps lay in wait, woven with the cunning of a thief. She danced with danger, a shadow of fur and finesse evading the unseen grasp of deceit. Whispers slithered through the air. Plans unfolded like dark butterflies scheming against the innocent. With a flick of her tail, inspiration struck, a web of distrust, a masterpiece in the making. Seeds of suspicion took root. Friend turned foe, trust unraveled beneath whispered lies. The silent night bore witness. The heist had failed. Fractured alliances slipped into the void. Evening embraced her. The loss lingered, yet something deeper pulsed within. A warmth thrummed in the dusk. Together they found solace. In the heart of mystery, friendship glimmered, priceless, eternal.
How was that? If you have any confusion you can ask, I will answer every comment one by one. If this video helps you, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now I am start generating a new story with the same steps to make you clear about the capacity of this AI. The better story idea you will input, the better story will be generated. This time I am making a love story. I selected romance as genre. I recommend you to try every genre one by one. You will wonder that every genre will generate different types of story. And also suggest you to try different visual styles. You should also try this visual styles one by one. You will be delighted after using this AI, I promise you will not dissatisfied. So visit through below link and try today. And after using, come back and give me your feedback. Here our new story images are start generating. It's finish. Let's check this romantic cat stories video timeline. I hoped you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.